in the beginning you didn't pay tax to the second house, today you pay. So the more property you've got, the more tax you're gonna pay. This is where shacks started in Cape Town. It was in this place. But all of them are on the basis of the goods and from us. And then they don't think you for themselves. The very same road we are driving, 86 March the 3rd, 7 guys died right in front of us on the right hand side. You can see this monument here. We call this village the 7. It happens right on this spot. This whole story was, there were 2 guys who were freedom fighters from this area that were arrested, and then they were used to come back here and pretend as if they're going to recruit more freedom fighters. But it was all planned by Eugene de Bock. He was the head of the security force. So you've got that kind of situation where all the years townships were like no-go areas. And now they made them more safer, and then other people start to realize that. So this they will never kill it because they need it live. Okay, there's another one right here. But you've got, say the snake skin. This is a big one, it's a python snake. The baboon skeleton on the wall. The baboon skeleton was used by students at UCT for their studies, and they give it to him after that. using it for protection against bushcraft or any evil spirits. You can have a look closer here. You've got things like this as an anti-trust hand. Part of a bureau association. Every Sunday, they've got these meetings like this. This cannot be the only one. If you can drive around, you can see other groups as well. Pholile mlungu asibonanga. Have a seat. Uhamba nayo bayithini. Abene Monday ebusuku. All right. Sathatha nawe ngokathi ngicacisele ngamadoda. All right. Guys, this is a Shebeen. We call it a Shebeen. So the word Shebeen is an Irish word referring to an illegally brewery or pub. So this is where the beer will be brewed and they drink it here. The brewers are mainly women. I would say about 70% of Shebeens are run by women. Simple reason to that is there's cooking involved. So cooking is still a woman's business. You can see from that pack there. So you can buy it in any retail shop. In 1 kg, 5 kg, or either you can get that size. You take the corn with mealie meal. You need to cook it.
With mealie meal?
Yeah, maize meal.
Oh, maize meal, okay.
Yeah.
Mealie. Yeah.
You need to cook it outside. Make a very big fire because they use the big drum size like that when they cook it. So they cook it outside and bring it here to ferment. 2 rand or 5 rand to become a member. Now this can cost about 12 rand to fill it up. Normally the price increases, they decide all together that now they want to increase the price. So whatever men collect underneath those cans is what they use to fill up the cans, and then they pass it around. There's no glass of cups you can see here because they share it through these cans. This is 7 days a week, 6 in the morning till about 9 in the evening. This one specific, the women don't want women to drink here. Alright? The women who owns the Shebeen don't want women to come and drink here.
How is it? It's sour, it's okay. You'll survive. So is something wrong with the camera? Can you do it?
Finish. Yeah, one family, one bed.
So man and wife and you?
Doesn't matter whether it's man and wife or you. Oh, my fucking bad now.